Welcome to EBO Pro Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you the differences in creating a route that has been imported from your A1. If you've already watched the Create a Route tutorial, that's great. I'm just going to show you the differences from that. So watch that one first. If you have a route that's been imported from your A1, you'll go over into EBO. The button's on the left hand side. Click on Schedule, then click Builder. And we have a run that we don't have a template on for yet. It shows up in red, Tifton. It says no templates. We need to build this out. So you click on the name, click Edit Route. Make sure the name is what you want to call it. You can change the name here. Make sure the domiciled hub is correct. Your company, whether it's a day and night shift, same as when you're creating a route. The difference is when you scroll past the payroll information, when you get to route shift information, double check that this information was imported correctly or added. This is the difference, this section called line haul run assignments. This information should appear when it was imported. If it doesn't, you can add it with the plus sign, or you can edit it always with the kebab menu and edit. You want to make sure if this is a run that you've had a long time but you're new to EBO, backdate this date a little bit and make sure you choose the correct run that matches your A1 here in the description under line haul run. Then click Save. There's nothing built out at the schedule yet, just like before, but instead of coming down here to the plus sign next to the leg, we can build it out straight from what our A1 says. So right under line haul run assignments, it says Schedule Template, and there's a green icon. You're just going to click the green icon. It's going to save your data, and then it's going to create the legs based on the A1. So that'll save you some time. So we already have the, this is what the A1 says. It says it runs Monday, Tuesday, Monday through Sunday. It goes to Tifton and back, and then it has a shuttle to Athens and back. You can make any edits in here that you want to. I would suggest starting with Monday like we did before. Put in the departure date, change the shuttle if it should be somewhere else. If you need to delete the shuttle, just go to the banner where run 2 is, click on the hamburger and click delete, and that gets rid of that shuttle altogether. If you change Monday, remember you don't have to change every single day. You can just delete all the other days by clicking the hamburger on their banner, go to Wednesday, and just delete all the other days so that you can copy them back exactly like you have Monday. So if Monday, once you have Monday correct, then you can just go to copy and copy the rest of it to all the days that you wanted, just like under Create Route. So the only difference is under line haul run assignments, you're just building the schedule. You're starting off with this little green icon that gives you a start on this. You're still going to have to put in your default truck, put in your default driver, put in your departure times. So just watch the Create a Route tutorial before you do this one, and how to do all of that's already answered in there. The only difference when you're doing it from a line haul A1 import is this section and this ability to build it out from the template. And then of course you hit save when you have it the way you want it. And when you come back to 308, Tifton's there and it says build schedule instead of no template. So you can build the schedule from here for this week. Every other week when you build it out from the top, it will show up with what you just created. That is building out the difference between creating a route imported from an A1 and creating a route that wasn't. My information will be after this video, and you can email me with any questions that you have. Thanks.